Alright, tank view. Put the camera right here. Alright. So, yeah. What's that stuff in the tank already? What's that stuff in the tank? What's wrong with the water now? The water looks a little bit dirty. The water looks kind of dirty. It is a little bit dirty. Right, so here we go. Here we go. It's 4:44 p.m. Love these toilets. Someone's in the restroom. What? Wait. Sorry guys, this is my mom is trying to boss me. Okay. Alright. Let's buy this video camera, so bye guys. Alright. That's a video camera.
Still don't know my words. Still don't know my words. Still don't know.